Hey, creative friends! Today we're gonna make a beautiful jewelry box in a fun and easy way. First, take out all the pre-cut cardstock pieces and pick your favorite designs from the two options in the craft kit. Next, cut out the inner and outer parts that will cover your box and stick them carefully to the cardstock using the double-sided tape, trimming any excess paper if needed. The process is quick and straightforward, but the final result will surprise you. Now let's assemble the base structure. Use hot glue to attach the small square cardstock pieces to the sides, creating a sturdy reinforcement that will make the whole project stable and long-lasting. Press down on each side and the base, then let the glue dry completely. Now let's move on to the flap lid. Cover it with your chosen designs. You can fold any excess paper inward and secure it with strong scrap-looking glue using a bone folder to make sure it sticks well. Finally, attach the top part of the lid to the structure. Now, all that's left is to unleash your creativity and decorate your spacious jewelry box with the cut-out elements in the kit, along with anything else your imagination comes up with.